Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to make sweet and spicy Korean gochujang noodles. Let's go. Okay, we're going to get a pot of water started on the stove to a boil, and I'm going to add just a little bit of chicken bouillon. And while that is heating up, we're going to make our sauce. So I need 3 tablespoons of gochujang paste. I'm just going to eyeball it because it's very sticky. 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of lime juice. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. A tablespoon of minced garlic. And a teaspoon of brown sugar. We're going to mix this together. This is going to be our sauce that we drizzle over our noodles. And we're just going to set this aside. Okay, now we're going to start on our veg. I'm going to get a pan started on the stove here with just a tablespoon of vegetable oil. To my pan, I'm going to add 10 ounces of shredded carrots. And 10 ounces of shredded cabbage. Alright, to my boiling water, I'm going to add some rice vermicelli and cook it for 8 minutes per the package directions. I'm actually going to make a double batch here just because I used a lot more veg than the recipe called for. So we'll get those boiling for 8 minutes. Alright, I'm going to turn my burner down just a little bit so none of this burns. We don't want to overdo this or it'll be kind of mushy, so I still want kind of a bite to my veggies. I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce so that some of that garlic can kind of cook out just a little bit. Turn this down to low while our noodles finish boiling, and then we're pretty much done. Alright, these noodles feel done to me. It has not been 8 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and just turn the heat off and take these out and put them directly into our veggie and sauce mixture. And then we're just going to carefully mix the noodles into our veggies and sauce. Oh, it smells so good. Turn the heat off here. And now all we need to do is plate it up and garnish it with some spring onion. And last but not least, we're going to add some spring onions to the top just for some garnish. And that is that. That was a super fast recipe. It smells amazing. And I am definitely going to be making this again. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.